The following message is transmitted at the request from the Colorado Springs Police Department. Residents of Colorado Springs, lock all of your doors immediately. 4 boys were seen walking around town robbing banks, vandalizing properties, and attacking innocent people for no reason. People are claiming the boys look similar to one of the most popular shows named South Park. If you have any information about these boys, call 911 immediately. Tune into local media for more updates about this developing situation.
The following message is transmitted at the request from the Colorado Springs Police Department. The 4 boys that were walking around town have now been identified. They are known to be from one of the most popular shows named South Park. The first boy's name is Kenny McCormick, a white male, 5 feet tall, with blonde hair and black eyes. He was last seen wearing an orange hoodie, orange pants, and black shoes. The second boy is Eric Cartman, a white male, 5 feet tall. He wears a teal beanie and has brown hair and black eyes. He was last seen wearing a red coat, brown pants, and black shoes. The third boy is Stan Marsh, a white male, 5 feet tall, has black hair and black eyes. He wears a dark blue beanie. He was last seen wearing a brown coat, dark blue pants, and black shoes. The fourth boy is Kyle Briflowski. He is a white male, 5 feet tall, had red hair and black eyes. He was last seen wearing a green hat, orange coat, dark blue pants, and black shoes. These individuals were seen attacking civilians, vandalizing people's property, and robbing stores and banks. All residents must stay indoors with all windows and doors locked. Tune into local media for more updates about this situation.
The following message is transmitted at the request from the Colorado Springs Police Department. The South Park situation has worsened. They are now killing anybody they see in their path. All residents must seek shelter on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Take food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a battery-powered radio with extra batteries, phones, chargers, and a firearm and flashlight in case of intrusion. If you get attacked by these individuals, use armed protection. Stay tuned into local media for more news about this dangerous situation. The following message is transmitted at the request from the Colorado Springs Police Department. All residents of Colorado Springs must evacuate immediately. Eric Cartman planted a nuclear bomb and it is expected to explode in the next 45 minutes. Take food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a battery-powered radio with extra batteries, phones, chargers, and a firearm and flashlight in case of intrusion. If you get attacked, use armed protection. Evacuate along on Interstate 25. Stay tuned into more updates about this life-threatening situation.
Welcome to 97.5 FM. We have some breaking news about the ongoing situation. A nuclear bomb was planted in Colorado Springs, and somehow the South Park gang came to life, and is causing chaos. I have my correspondent Susan. Susan, what's going on?
Hello guys, this is Susan. I have some breaking news. The South Park gang, which you already know, planned to bomb in Colorado Springs, and luckily 80% of Colorado Springs evacuated safely. Police, FBI, SWAT, and law enforcement officials are trying their hardest to take down these individuals, as it is very hard. And what's going on? Let me check. Oh my god, a tsunami warning is in effect for the states of California, Oregon, and Washington, and the South Park characters caused it. This is crazy. This is Susan signing off.
The National Weather Service has issued a tsunami warning for the states of California, Oregon, and Washington at 8:30 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time. National Weather Service on Doppler radar has spotted a 6,000 tsunami, and it will hit the states of California, Oregon, and Washington in the next 2 hours. This tsunami was caused by the South Park gang. All residents of these states must evacuate and take food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a battery-powered radio with extra batteries, phones, chargers. If you don't evacuate, you will face certain death. Do not pick up any relatives from schools, hospitals, or nursing homes, as they have their own evacuation procedures. Do not take any personal belongings, as there is very little time. The whole states of California, Oregon, and Washington will be underwater. Evacuate now. I repeat, evacuate now. Tune into local media for more information about this life-threatening situation.
The following message is transmitted at the request by the Federal Emergency Management Agency and the civil authorities. Many 911 calls came in that people's towels are growing faces and then coming to life, attacking civilians. It is believed that the towels are growing faces and coming to life because of the character Toily from one of the most popular shows named South Park. All residents must get rid of all towels immediately. Stay tuned into more local news about this dangerous situation. Take action now. Law enforcement warning for the city of Cleveland until further notice. The following message is transmitted at the request by the Cleveland Emergency Management and Homeland Security. A girl was seen breaking into people's homes and attacking and killing them instantly, and is causing vandalism to people's properties. This girl is known to be from one of the most popular shows named South Park. She is identified as Juanita Testaberger, a white female, 5 feet tall, wears a pink hat with black hair and black eyes. She was last seen wearing a purple coat, yellow pants, and black shoes. She is also known to be Stan Marsh's girlfriend. If you see her, call 911 immediately. And there are reports of people's towels growing faces and coming to life. So all residents must get rid of all towels. This was reported happening in Louisville, and keep all windows and doors locked and barricaded. Stay tuned into local media for more information about this extremely dangerous situation.
We interrupt our programming at the request from the White House. The President of the United States will be delivering a message over the emergency alert system shortly. Please stand by. We interrupt our programming. This is a national emergency. Important details will follow. Stand by. The President of the United States will be delivering a message shortly.
Hello. I am the President. The following message is transmitted at myself, the United States government, and the Federal Emergency Management Agency. This is not a test. Repeat. This is not a test. As some of you know, the South Park gang that came to life and started chaos in Colorado Springs and then caused a tsunami in the West Coast. And then People's Tolls came to life. And then Wendy Testaburger being reported causing crime in some states across the country. And the South Park gang have cloned themselves and it's been reported in 50 states, including Alaska and Hawaii. All residents in the USA must seek shelter. If no shelter is available, call 911 and you will be taken to one. Take food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a battery-powered radio with extra batteries, phones, chargers, and a firearm and flashlight in case of intrusion. If you get attacked, use armed protection. Do not panic, as panicking will only make the situation worse. The US military will be dealing with this situation. We will win because we are one nation under God. Thank you and God bless the United States.
That was a message from the President of the United States. Please stay tuned into more news about this life-threatening situation.
All clear. I repeat, all clear. The following message is transmitted at the request by the United States government and the Federal Emergency Management Agency. The South Park gang along with Wendy Testaburger has been taken down by the US military, and people's dolls are no longer coming to life, and it is now safe to leave your shelters now. The reason why the South Park gang did this was because season 27 of South Park was supposed to come out on July 9th, but it ended up getting moved to July 23rd, and then a few hours later, they came to life and started chaos, but everything is clear. Season 27 of South Park is now cancelled after all this chaos happened, and South Park is now discontinued and cancelled. If your shelter is destroyed, call 911 immediately, and you will be taken to one. Your government thanks you for your cooperation. Normal programming may now resume.